Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports Report.
To explain the team's lackluster performance.
There were 3 teams going for the 2 top spots. And I think you could see that there was a little nervousness and not a willingness to really take the game to Honduras. It was more we wanted to and felt like we wanted to control the game and didn't go forward with any tempo, any pace. There was no speed in the game. And we were, when you need a draw, the mentality can get in the way. And I think that did.
It remains to be seen when the Jamaica Scorpions Super 50 squad will be announced after a second postponement. It's understood that the reason for the delay in the announcement is as a result of the Jamaica Cricket Association's tardiness in ratifying Brad Barnes as captain. TVJ Sports understands that Barnes will be elevated to the post, as Nkrumah Bonner, who was the first choice for captain, will not be included. Bonner has had a falling out with the JCA as he was not granted a no-objection certificate to play in the 5-day Atlanta Open T20 tournament in the USA. The fallout resulted in the 35-year-old backing out of his contract with the Scorpions after being given a retainer for the 2024-2025 period. With the high level of financial investment in horse racing, more care has to be taken to prevent a recurrence of a road accident involving several horses and motor vehicles last month. This according to Chairman of the Jamaica Racing Commission, Clovis Metcalf. Several horses escaped from stables along the Bernard Lodge roadway in September, and during the escape, at least 3 horses, which were fillies, died after they collided with oncoming vehicles. 3 people were treated for minor injuries, and approximately 14 motor vehicles were extensively damaged. Portmore's Mayor, Leon Thomas, has also committed to ensuring there is no repeat while speaking at a Grooms and Farriers seminar held at the Jamaica Conference Center on Monday.
Whatever that happened along the Grange Lane and also the route that the horses have the miss up, that is not in Portmore, and we see it fit. So we call this meeting with Racing Commission to make certain that this don't happen in Portmore. We have 2 such meetings, one with the presidents of the Citizens Association, the councillor, and myself. We have worked out a route that they should adhere to.
Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.